YouTube, it's your boy, Migo the Entrepreneur. I'm back with another one. Man, we family now, man. I'm your brother, your cousin, or something now. You know what I'm saying? About to tighten this up first. Driveway, concrete first, always with us. Alright, concrete first. And then we're gonna wash this house. He concerned about the gutters. He concerned about that. He concerned about this up here. All of that. Gonna spin around this back one time. How y'all doing today? It's on this beautiful Tuesday morning. It's beautiful Tuesday morning, man. My view today well, we got two jobs today. We got driveway, we got two houses, two driveway cleaners. We got one more project after this one. Ducks out. That boy Daffy down there kicking it, you dig? And he concerned about those spider webs up through there. But we're gonna shoot that chemical up there and let it soften up. That's nothing. And we're gonna tighten up this back deck too, y'all. So this gonna be a good one. I ain't gonna make it no super long like I did the other one. Certain videos gonna be long. A lot of my videos gonna be short, but they ain't gonna never be too short because my channel is a training course channel. So when I be talking, listen, you might learn something. You might hear something, some valuable information that you didn't know. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know it all, but I know a lot. You dig? Definitely not a rookie to this. We got a little mold up there on the corner right there on the chimney, but ain't no thing. All right, y'all, I'm pulled already. Let's get it. I'm already situated. I'm actually about to turn my water off, and just cause my tank full, so I'm about to just start on this driveway and stuff with my own water for now. And then when I start getting low, I turn that on. You dig? Let's get it. Let's go. All right, y'all, I'm finna start treating the back. I already done treated the side over there. And I treated all the concrete in the front. So I said, while that's sitting, I'm gonna go on and wash the back in this side. By the time I get done with this, start on the concrete, my wife will be here. And then, cause she loves concrete, so I gotta save that concrete for her. I gotta get up in there. Be concerned about that. Let me get this soap, y'all. And then, I'll be right back. All that cleaned up.
Knock that patio out real quick. Then I'm starting rinsing.
I'm gonna knock that patio out, then I'm gonna start rinsing from over here back on around over there. And then I'm gonna start on the concrete in the front, then wash the front of the house and that side. It won't take long. Alright, y'all, we about to start surface cleaning now. We got this side and the back done. Got the patio done. We about to start. Y'all know when I first got here, I post-treated. I sprayed it down, cleaned it up, and post-treated out, pre-treated all of this. So, and then I had, you know, did all my little touch-ups before. All the spots that my surface cleaner can't get, I did all my little touch-ups first, through the whole driveway, got all that grass out of there, and I hit this spot right here, cause this is where the water drain. I don't want to be cleaning and the water coming down. I can't clean against the water, so I'm gonna have to start surface cleaning from the top down and let the water roll. It's gonna roll right there, but it's gonna pile up. But I got my that's what we got that sludge sucker in the truck for. We might get to use it today, y'all. Stay tuned. Water. We about to rinse all of this on down. We about to do all the rinsing real quick again. I got my sludge sucker out. I'm about to show y'all exactly how this works and why y'all need one, so you don't got to be trying to fight with this stuff right here. This dirt and all this, you ain't got to fight with that. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all exactly what y'all need, man. Sludge sucker, I'm gonna show you exactly what it's for in a few minutes. Give me 1 second. About to get all that rinse on down, all this dirt into that cone. That's why I said I be doing mine first. When I first get to a house and I scope the driveway out anyway doing the estimate. So I already know, okay, it's a spot in that driveway. It got like where all the water stop, a puddle spot, you know what I'm saying? Before I started, it was a ring. You can see it, the dirt. You can see, like, that's how it's gonna be in a couple days after the rain. It ain't gonna be so dirty because the driveway clean, but it's still gonna be like that. So I always clean mine first. So I know it's clean up under that. I'm just gonna, after I use my sludge sucker, I'm just gonna touch that up again. The water that's gonna be sitting there gonna be clean water. It's gonna be clean, it ain't gonna be dirty. Y'all stay tuned. Show y'all what this sludge sucker do. Your part don't come like this. You gotta get this modified like this and put on there like that. So where you can just connect it on there like that. When that's sucking up over here, it's gonna come out over there. Right. back off of there. Put my X-Jet back on now. These X-Jet about 200 and some change. They done went up. We all up in the woods with it, y'all. All of this look good. Front walkway, the house, those gutters what he was concerned about. The most part, the spots, we got that cleaned up for sure. Gutters, I showed y'all them gutters. They look amazing now. This little spot where that puddle was, there's nothing. It's gonna keep leaking. Unless he get a drain built right there or something. Concrete looking good. Babe down there getting the payment situated. He signed up to get this thing cleaned up every year around at the same time every year. Spot's gone. I'm about to hit this little spot again real quick with my pump-up sprayer and go on to kill that. But for the most part, it's clean. Look better than it did. Yeah, that's about it. I'm about to hit that with the pump-up sprayer, and then we out of here. We're about to go sit down and eat some lunch. It's $2. It's Taco Tuesday, y'all. We about to go sit down real quick before we go to this next job at 2. It's 11:37. It took me almost 2 hours to do this job right here. All right, y'all, let's get it. And all that. It got hot out here, y'all. Man, wife about to go sit down at this Mexican restaurant. I love Mexican food, y'all. One thing y'all gonna see me doing is eating, though. We gon' eat, now. We gon' pop it. We gon' kick it, now. Yeah, we ain't just gonna work, now. We gon' kick it. Oh, God. The thing looking good. We about to go eat and go to the next job, y'all. See y'all there. Dig into this and go and knock this other job out. Let me get one. Hey, y'all, pulling up at the second job. I'm about to show y'all what it look like in like 5 minutes. Give me 1 minute, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm giving y'all that work, man. For real, man. Let's go. All right, y'all. We got this driveway right here. And just the front of the house. Not the whole house. Just the front. We about to do this driveway. And watch the front of the house. Get these gutters. She got gutter guards on her gutters. We're gonna get these, all of this cleaned up. She wanna get all that. Yeah, that was one of her main concerns right here. All of this. We're gonna get that up off of that for her. Get the driveway cleaned up. I ain't quota for this, but I'm gonna see if I can upsell it though. But I'm gonna wash from right here on down, just the front, and just clean the driveway in the front of the house. Let me get set up and I'll be back, y'all. Alright, y'all. I got the driveway blowed down from all the pine straw, pine cones, and all that stuff like that. So right now, I'm about to pre-treat this driveway. This driveway ain't never been clean ever. That lady said she ain't never had her driveway clean or her house washed. So we about to put a good mix on here. Let it sit. While it's sitting, I'm gonna let it dwell for a while since it never been hit. And I'm gonna go on and wash this front of this house. I usually would wait and go on and do the concrete first. But the way her house set up, I would be nowhere really by the house. Like, I really wouldn't be nowhere by the front door and then like that. Like, it's a little, I'll show y'all what I'm talking about once I get done with this. Let me knock this out first, this pre-treat, and then I'll be back. Hey, y'all, let me show y'all what we got. It look better than it did, man. I think this concrete was painted or something. Look at that. Look. Driveway looking good, boy. Clean up through here. Windows is squeaky clean. Clean up through here. Tell what she asked for. You know, clean. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We out of here. We out of here, y'all. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all support. Appreciate it. For real.